You're tuned into Power Breakfast here on cnbc TV 18. Now back home on the Lal Street, it was yet another weekday of trade. The markets gave up all its gains in the final hour of trade. The Nifty and the Sensex ended the day over 0.25% lower, with the Nifty slipping below the 10,800 mark. Amongst the broader markets, the Nifty Bank lost close to around 100 points to end with a cut of around 0.5% odd. The mid-caps were in line with the benchmark indices. Global cues fairly positive, Asian markets mixed. SGX Nifty is indicating a bit of a downtick to kickstart trade. Ekta is with us to run us through all the cues. Hey Ekta, morning.
Morning, Nigel. Well, yes, like you mentioned, Asia is mixed at this point in time. SGX is a little bit lower. Yesterday, in fact, the markets gave up gains in the last hour of trade. We didn't have much in terms of the FII flows as well. The FIIs net sold 677 crores. I think it's the third consecutive session where they've been selling. DIIs net bought around 713 odd crores yesterday. In terms of the other cues, the macros were at 70.8 in terms of the rupee versus 70.7. So that was stable. And we had the yield, which closed at around 7.29. Now, in terms of cues, the US markets closed higher in yesterday's trading session. Asia, like you mentioned, is largely mixed at this point in time. It is the US-China trade talks which is really dominating, and there is a hope that there could be some amount of an agreement which could be reached. Brent crude, however, is the big worry for us, because now Brent crude is at around $63.9 per barrel. In fact, that is the intraday high that it had hit in yesterday's trading session. So that would probably be, a sentiment negative for us, or on the peripheral, something which is probably going to weigh down on the macros for us. SGX is currently indicating that yes, it is going to be a little bit of a negative start for us, so a bit sluggish from yesterday's close. And separately, we have a lot of cues to watch out for. We have the Nifty options expiry for the first time ever. The 10,900 call is the most active, along with the 11,000 call and the 10,700 put. We also have the Bank Nifty options expiry today, so a lot to watch out for this Thursday. We have the 27,100 call and the 26,700 put, which is the most active when it comes to the Bank Nifty. In terms of levels to watch out for, currently, we're just about below the 20 as well as the 50-day moving average. Maybe the next port of call would probably be the 100-day moving average. Results, we had a lot of results post-markets, but nothing from the Nifty space, all from the broader markets. Fortis, Godrej Industries, NBCC, Reliance Capital, Repco, Home, to name a few. And in terms of results today, we have ONGC, Ashok Leyland, Nestle, United Breweries, Jet, Voltas, Glenmark, Page Industries, GSK Consumer, a lot of these companies which will be coming out with their numbers today. So just be prepared for an action-packed broader markets.
Absolutely, Ekta. So what are the other stocks that we are watching out for today apart from these?
Well, in terms of news, I think the top of my list would definitely be Yes Bank. They have said that they received the RBI report. There is no divergence in asset quality and provisioning. So that is a huge positive and surprise coming in for Yes Bank, because the street was really bracing themselves for this asset quality report. IndusInd Bank, they're going to participate in rebidding process for ILNFS security services. Lupin, Delhi High Court has set aside an FTC ban order on Lupin's diabetes drug. So that means that they can sell that particular drug back in the market. Indigo, they informed DGCA 49 cancellations yesterday. So there was absolutely, obviously chaos on account of that. And a lot of result reactions. Repco Home Finance net profit, which was in line with estimates. Godrej Industries net profit up 73%. Man Infra profit down 93% for that stock. PNC Infratech net profit down 49% for that one. Igrashi Motor profit down 53%. And Gulf Oil Lubricants, the profit was up 24%. Prabhat Dairy profit down 32% this quarter. Relcap profit of 89 crores versus a net loss of 603 crores, so big turnaround there. Oracle Financial profit up 5.7%. Lemon Tree profit up 34%. NBCC has made a profit of 87 crores versus our poll of 90 crores. And Fortis net loss has expanded to 180 odd crores for the quarter.
All right, Ekta, thanks so much for that. Well, moving on then, watch out for the biggest event of the year, the News 18 Rising India Summit, to be held in New Delhi on February 25th and 26th. This is one platform where you catch all the biggest newsmakers of the country from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah to opposition chief ministers Kamal and Bhupesh Baghel. Along with a host of union ministers will be Bollywood as well as sports icons like Deepika Padukone as well as former coach of India, Anil Kumble. That's the News 18 Rising India Summit in New Delhi on February 25th and 26th.